Why don't you ask Grandpa?
It's also just a little like it's like a little. We keep seeing that thing pass by. It's called an airplane bug.
Okay, well, Addie, can you describe what happens every time that you try to take off in your airplane? What happens, and then maybe Grandpa can help you fix it. So, what happens right now when you try to take off in the airplane?
It's just kind of a little hard to express.
Well, you were just telling me though. What were you telling me?
And it's a hard answer. There's like a little airplane bug in our airplane. It's keep making the plane broken.
Okay, come a little bit closer so I can hear you. All right. Like what sorts of things make your airplane broken? Like what kind of little things happen?
Like lots of things get broken.
Like
And
what?
It's like the windows and like different types of things on the airplane. I think that's happening from we keep seeing this thing, a little thing pass by us, and it's called an airplane bug.
An airplane bug?
Yeah.
Okay. And what is there anything else that happens other than the windows breaking?
It's like the engines are breaking.
The engines are breaking? Okay, that's a problem. Is there anything else that happens?
Too many things happen to play along.
Too many things happen? How about you, Holly?
Purple.
Purple. Yeah, that's purple. Okay. Well, Addie, do you want to say anything else to Grandpa about your airplane problems? Addie?
Like, what it is like, it's going.
Yeah.
This is like a map to show you where it's going on the airplane.
Hey, Holly, can you say hello to Grandma and Grandpa? Holly, can you say hello to Grandma and Grandpa? No, you're just busy looking at the airplanes. Okay, Addie, say bye-bye to Grandma and Grandpa.
Bye, Grandma and Grandpa.
I'll see you later tonight.
See you later tonight.
Well, what do you mean later tonight? When are we going to see them?
When they come here.
Are we going to do like the little video camera thing with them tonight?
Sure.
Okay.
See you tonight.
Okay. Can you look at the camera and wave? Okay. How about blowing a kiss? Okay.